got the Med 23 pub over there, M23. Nice little bar. Gonna head on down here to show you for Jax Drink Exchange, which is a great little new bar here in Benidorm. So yeah, apparently they do a pint that is the cheapest pint in the world. 46 cents.
I'll get this one. It's the buy one get one free. It's the free one, isn't it?
No, it's a genuine thing. I think it's called the Fanatic Pint, and for Jax, I think it's 46 cents. Now, if that's true, that's a bloody bargain.
Should have come and sit there, I can get cheaper than that.
46 cents for the pint in like a bar. Not bad, that. Got a new solicitors behind us as well, which, yeah. Anyway, the other thing is, well, hopefully, hopefully soon I will be getting some of the like poker chip things, the free drinks tokens from for Jax, which I'll be able to give out to people. Well, not give out to people. What I'll do is I'll hide them around Benidorm. Then it's up to you to go find them. I think me and Sue do have to nip down on Wednesday, I believe, to see Brett. Unless he's in today, and maybe I cannot nip in, do a film and not get some.
No, I could go with your mum, mate, wouldn't we?
Yeah, well, I'll go down with Scooter Sue, because they seem to know her. She has done a video in there. She actually interviewed both Brett and his wife when they first opened, so go check that out. Here it is as well, guys, for Jax Drink Exchange. Not open yet, so I probably couldn't have nipped in to see the manager, but yeah, 46 cents a pint. I don't know, but it's been all over the Facebook and Benidorm Fanatics TikTok. I don't know. Oh, shut up, you. No. Anyway, guys, when I do get these tokens, keep an eye on the channel. There'll be something I'll be hiding around Benidorm.
I'll give a few back in case somebody's coming over.
No. I'll hide them around Benidorm for people to find. That's the whole thing of them. You hide them, then when people find them, they've got to tag you on Facebook and for Jax, then maybe do a video of themselves in the bar getting their drink. so I'll be doing them very soon. And I'll also be doing the Lego minifigures as well, which I should have bought one out today and did it, but I completely forgot.
I know what you could do, something different.
What?
You could hide somewhere and see if anybody finds you.
Yeah, but surely I'd have to do a live stream then. Plus, I don't really know if anyone who knows me is over at the moment, but I mean,
Everybody knows you, mate.
it's an idea. Plus, it could be made harder because my hair's gone a bit crap. But it ain't the bright colour it was. Oh, hang on. Got the fake cripple over the road there by Don Poncho. Just to let you know, it is all an act. He bullshits more than Benidorm at Mike.
Who's that?
The lad over there begging.
Alright. I thought you were on about the Don Poncho.
No.
You know in there you've got to wear trousers for dinner.
Really? I mean, of course you do, obviously. Anyway, I will just say be careful in Benidorm if you're over this summer. Apparently there's a lot more wobblies going on, a lot more like cons going on. And not to mention the huge amount of fake homeless here. I mean,
That's like the place off too much, right?
I'm not being nasty, we do have genuine ones, but we do have the ones who just think that I'll do it to get a bit of money, bit of free food.
Good mate's coming out.
Who's me mate?
The sun.
Oh, sun's coming out apparently. Larry Costa's just here. Great little place. Haven't been in for ages actually. It was the place we used to come to quite a lot when we first moved over here, but it went quite pricey. But one thing I will always remember is they used to do pizza as the tappers, like little bit of pizza each, and oh my god, best pizza you could ever have. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here guys, so make sure to hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.